again. I'm gonna make some coins today. Here is my 2D platforming game I made previously in previous episodes. So, as you can see, we have our guy here. It can jump, it can run, it can double jump over these boxes. Yes, I like boxes. It's the best game as it's out there. Boxes and crates. Boxes and crates. However, I do want to have some coins here. So our little hero here can collect. Yes. And first of all, I'm gonna make like a coin here. Going for we can go for a cylinder, however, I don't care. We can rotate this cylinder in the x-axis. No, 90 degrees. Like so and so. Make it a little smaller, like this. So. Make a new material. Call it coin mat. Like, why not? We're making it yellow because of coins are yellow. I think some of them are. Right. Yes. Awesome. All right. Static. Yes. I don't know if I need that. However, it is just static stuff here. Yes. Let's go over to the UPBGE. Oh, I forget to name everything here. But we can name this cylinder. We can name it coin. Yes. If the coin. Collision with a. Let's see if it have a property. The cone hero here. We add game property. We're gonna name it player. And go back to the coin. And player. So collision with the player. Pretty easy, huh? Edit object and the object. And so let's see if this works. It don't work. Yeah, it works actually. Let's try again. Like, don't work. But there it works. And let's check why it don't always work. I don't know why, but I think it has something with the player collision to do with it. We add collision bounds, like a box bound. And now we try again. It's like, no problem. Let's go into the camera view here. Yeah, keep going. However, it's one little more funny thing here. It's like floating, so the box collision is not correct. And why is it so? I really don't know. Fucking tired of this. I'm gonna play some race sim soon. About 50 minutes, so I hope I can finish this. Like, screw that. We go into convex hull instead. Let's see if it make a difference. Yes, it sound. Yes. Try again. No, yeah. Nice. Nice. Really nice. Great. Very nice indeed. I really wish to add a sound effect like sound, and I don't have any good sound to pick from, so I'm gonna just take some random sound effect. What is this project? Maybe I have something from an older project, like this one. We try that. Sound. Falling, dropping. Open sound. I don't know what this it will sound like. I guess we have gonna try it out. I don't have a shit. Play stop. Oh. Let's try again. I don't know why. Alright. When I end the object, everything here ends as well, so I guess we're gonna link it to maybe the player. We attach the sound thing to the player. And let's try again. Yeah, did you hear that? Yeah, it isn't a proper sound effect for picking up a coin, but it's something at least. You can pick whatever sound you want. You can pick I duplicate these coins with Shift D. Yeah, you can pick sounds like some anime girl moan, or you can pick a fart sound effect, or just ripping off Super Mario Bros. When you're picking up coins. Right. Alright, so now we have some coins here, however. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. You pick it up and you take the sound. Yes. However, fuck it, don't save. Okay, share and subscribe. Share and subscribe. And like my video.